Okay, it's cleanup day today on the farm. We got here on a beautiful, nice Sunday, and this apparatus right here is called a plastic lifter and wrapper, and it makes my life just infinitesimally easier. And it's designed to actually pull up the white on black plastic, but we're using it for the landscape fabric too. So it's hooked up to these hydraulic wheels here. I've got the landscape fabric hooked up, and all we need to do to pull up the landscape fabric is hit this lever. Look at that! This represents like half an hour of work, 45 minutes of work, an hour of work, just melting away. I can't tell you how happy this makes me. It's almost worth not picking strawberries anymore. So they can whip it. Okay, never mind, don't do that.
Now, I wasn't able to get any video of the plastic mulch lifting this year, but there's some footage from last year, and slowed down you can see that it's a two-person operation with one person driving the tractor and then a goon in the back like me operating the actual hydraulics. As the tractor drives forward, the machinery cuts the plastic in half, and then the person in the back controls how quick those roller uppers actually pull the plastic as it's being cut. So as the tractor goes faster, you have to control the speed of the rolling itself. It was pretty fun when you got it going well. This year we were actually able to modify the system where we could pull up 2, 3, even 4 rows of plastic all at the same time, but unfortunately it was a wet and frustrating day, so I didn't get any footage of it. Afterwards, you can pull up all of the drip tape at the same time. I think this is 5 rows. Just by keeping the tractor in one spot. It was super fun to do, and yeah, thanks. This is all we got for this video. I just wanted to share this really fun thing we're doing.